Hi, y'all. You know that moment when you spot an ice cream tub in the fridge and your heart skips a beat thinking of that creamy dessert? Well, in a Filipino household, you've got to think twice. Because surprise, surprise, it's not ice cream, it's galunggong fish. Yep, it's the classic Filipino plot twist. Today, we're cooking up some delicious fried galunggong. But before you're tempted to grab a spoon, let's get into it. We start by coating our galunggong with flour. Why? Not just for that crispy goodness, but it also helps keep the oil from sparking all over the place. No one wants a fish fry surprise, right? As the galunggong sizzles in the pan, you can almost smell that savory aroma. This little fish packs a punch. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. Plus, it's loaded with protein to keep you strong and healthy. If you see an ice cream tub in the fridge, don't get too excited. Chances are, it's not what you think. It's probably storing last night's leftover food, or in this case, our crispy galunggong. And there you have it, crispy, flavorful, and healthy fried galunggong. Perfect with a squeeze of calamansi, bagoong, tomatoes, ginger and onions, and a hot plate of rice. Trust me, your body will thank you for the omega-3 boost and the high protein that keeps your muscles strong. So next time you see that ice cream tub, remember, it might just be your next meal. If you loved this, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun cooking surprises. Thanks for watching.